Welcome to my video. Today, we are showing top 5 best robot vacuum cleaners mop in 2024. Hi guys, are you looking for the best robot vacuum cleaners mop? If you received a new robot vacuum cleaners mop, then you're in the right place. In this video we're going to review the top 5 best robot vacuum cleaners mops on the market. You'll get to see all of them and select the best one based on personal preferences, reading reviews, and orders. Number 1. Xiaomi MIJIA Omni. This robot vacuum cleaner is a comprehensive home cleaning solution with self-cleaning, mopping, and automatic dirt disposal. Its powerful vacuuming system collects dirt into a 2500 ml dust bag, while its mop feature keeps floor spotless. The compact robot measures 35 x 10.4 cm and has a self-fold dock, making it ideal for busy households. Link on the description. Number 2. A Burr X6 Robot Vacuum Cleaner. Link on the description. Selective zone cleaning. Designated mood. Bottom with electric water. Software virtual barrier. Smart eye system. Number 3. Xiaomi 5-in-1 Wireless Smart Sweeping Robot. Auto clean, crash steering, strong suction, smart sweeper diagram. Number 4. Xiaomi MIJIA M30 Pro. Pro Intelligence AI Control. Link on the description. Absorb high temperature drying. Number 5. Plus 2-in-1 Robot Vacuum. Link on the description. Sonic Mopping System. Clean edges and corners. Anti-allergen, complete seal. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe.